Hello, everybody. I'm here with one of my favorite attorneys in the world, Attorney Elliot Zinger, founder and creator of Zinger and Associates, downtown Chicago. Hey there, Attorney Elliot. It's good to see you again.
Great to see you, Daryl.
How are you? I am
great.
And you have such integrity in your service, and you have been doing this for over 25 years. Tell us what makes your law firm different and better.
Well, we service people, first of all. We cater to what people need, and we serve them with dedication and integrity, and we work really hard for our clients. Our clients come in here with very, very difficult problems.
Right.
Whether it's in the personal injury field, where I handle a lot of injuries to families that are devastated families. Family comes in, they're devastated, they need some help, they need some attention, and they need somebody to fight with them to the finish line. So it takes something. It really takes a piece of yourself to really contribute to them, to the family.
Yeah.
Portray their case to the jury in a way that they're moved and they get the reward they deserve.
And you know what? That's what you've always been concerned about, giving people the rewards they deserve, taking care of them. Personal injury is a big, big part of the legal system, but so it's bankruptcy, so it's foreclosure, so it's criminal law. You do it all. Elliot Zinger, Attorney Zinger, which portion of the law right now is the most needed in the American society?
Well, personally, I concentrate in trial work.
Okay.
So I do mostly criminal defense, and I've done that for almost 34 years.
And criminal defense is big.
And criminal defense is rampant now. There's such a tremendous need. And as you know, I'm working on a lot of the cases where people have been tortured into confessions.
Yeah.
And now we bring their cases up with the DNA and with the false
like the Dixmoor 5, the recent news stories that have been coming out on them.
A lot of those cases are the cases we're presenting at 26th in California. And they're very hot issues that involve so many social issues because people have been in jail for such a long time. They're desperately calling out for help, and we have to service them, and their families are so concerned with. So we're going through the post-conviction procedure to try to get them justice. And it's a very difficult process. And then once they're successful, they can bring civil claims, but it's a long and arduous road. You got to be in for it, and you got to be fight to the finish from the start to the end.
And you know what, Attorney Zinger, that leads me to my next question. What keeps you passionate after 34 years serving as an attorney in the legal system with Zinger and Associates? But what keeps you motivated?
Well, for example, in this area, it's a real social issue. We're addressing not only a legal issue, we're addressing one of the major, if not the most significant police scandal in the United States history.
Right here in Chicago.
Right here in Chicago, the false confession capital
of the world.
And it's devastating for all of us, for citizens who have gone through this, for their families, for people in jail. So, it's hard not to be passionate about something that's such, not just a personal issue, not just a legal issue, but a real social issue. And, we're making history and making news with these cases.
And you are making a lot of news and a lot of history. What keeps you going where you say, well, I am in here for the good fight? And what is it that you want people to know mostly about Zinger and Associates?
Well, we fight for people's rights. We really do. People have problems when they come to see us. They have real problems, whether it's criminal, whether it's a civil rights violation, whether it's a personal injury, they have real problems. And if they feel that you're there for them, and I think most of my clients do, we're in it together. We're in it to get a result together.
Yeah.
And they can feel that. They can feel the difference in that from someone who's just, servicing them as just another number.
Yeah, because there are a lot of brilliant lawyers out there today that have graduated from Harvard, Princeton, Yale, John Marshall Law School. But are all the lawyers as passionate as you, Elliot Zinger?
No.
Well, I know you've got to get back to your job and do your work, but what number can people call to reach you?
Well,
or do you have a website?
Yeah, they can reach me at 312-782-9464.
What's that number again?
312-782-9464.
Call it anytime, 24 hours a day?
24 hours a day. If I'm not there, it goes right to my cell phone. We try to answer phones as promptly as possible so people are served.
All right, we're going to let attorney Elliot Zinger of Zinger & Associates get back to his busy, busy day. But I want to thank you for being a part of the Daryl King Show. God bless you and God keep you. And my heart is with you, Elliot Zinger. Zinger & Associates. Call the number today. Get the help that you need and feel secure in your home, in your life, and with a great legal professional. We'll be back with more right here on the Daryl King Show.